Everybody knows what a whiskey sour is, but have you ever had a whiskey smash? Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so as I said just before, so the whiskey sour is just a massively popular cocktail, but I think you should try a whiskey smash because I think they are even better than the whiskey sour. And the best part of it is it's really easy to make. So we're going to start off with some American whiskey. We're going to use the Old Forester Bourbon, 50 mils. Then 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of sugar syrup. Similar, right? Really is like a whiskey sour so far. And then the part that makes it different is we want about 6 to 8 leaves of mint. I'm not going to muddle this. I'm just going to break the mint leaves in there. The reason that I don't like to muddle mint leaves in any cocktail, except for really the mint julep, is because when you crush up that mint, it releases a fair bit of bitterness. We don't want to do that. We would want to just bruise and remove that really nice aroma from the mint by just shaking it, ripping it, and not muddling it all up. Going to add some ice. Give it a good shake. Okay. Okay, we're going to double strain that. Now, obviously it doesn't have any egg white in it, which is what would normally go into a whiskey sour. This is a smash. Just a little bit more ice there. Give it a little bit of a stir. And for my garnish, just a mint sprig. There you go, there's a whiskey smash. Let's give it a taste. So I've been a little bit tight there. It's just a tiny little mint sprig. It is not really the right time for mint here in Australia at the moment. We're in the middle of winter. But the bigger piece of mint or mint sprig that you use, the better, because you really want to be able to smell that mint when you bring your nose up to the drink. Yum. Very similar to a whiskey sour, but that mint, yeah, just adds another dimension. Wow, I just copped the mint again at the end. It is just refreshing, mentholy. I don't think I've ever been asked for a whiskey smash at my bars in 17 years, and I don't know why. They are fantastic. Please guys, make one, give it a try. I'd love to know, do you like it? Leave a comment. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.